I'm off to California instead of digging trains. I'll be digging lumps of coal.
That's where your truck comes down.
Okay, I'm Larry Foster, and that's Carol Spreckelson Foster. It's an annual event every end of May, 1st of June.
We've been traveling from Mount Blue, State Line, Nevada, all the way down to Pollock Pines, and we're headed on to Placerville. And the most thing that stood out is that I could actually see parts of old Highway 50. Such a historical highway. It was beautiful. The weather was great. And we had the most calm group and team ever going down the highway. It was a lovely trip.
Yeah, I've been doing it every year for 15 years, and Carol for 25 years.
Yes. Neck yoke down or no?
Jeff Shen. These are my horses right here. These wagons weigh over 7,000 pounds empty. And it takes a lot of work for these horses to get over the summit. And I've been doing this since I was 7 years old. I haven't been driving lead hitch since I was 7 years old, but I've been doing wagon trains since I was 7 years old. I drove my first team when I was 12 years old. Now here I am driving lead hitch. And it takes a lot of work to pull these wagons over the hill. And it's not my work, it's my crew's work and my beautiful horses. 5 days on the trail, and what are we, 50 miles? The sad thing is that the CVOs and from out of Tahoe, they just come over in 2 days. But that's what they did for a living. A lot tougher horses.
David Cantrell with the Highway 50 wagon train. I'm pulling the third wagon this year, and we started in 1949 and been going ever since. Weather's been good for us this year. No major problems, no breakdowns or anything like that. And I started in 92 with my grandparents, my dad, and I've been coming ever since.
Go.
My name is Jerry Myers. I'm from Stagecoach, Nevada. I'm with Stagecoach Bergerons, and this is about my 9th year in a row that I've been doing this. I enjoy the camaraderie of all my friends that I only see once a year, and making my beautiful wife the queen for the wagon train.
Are you watching Dan back up?
They've been on it a few years.
They've been on it quite a few years, yes. They're trained professionals.
Get the wagon!
Ow!
You're fine. Yeah, you can squeeze right in here. We got one more half pint, and you qualify. Okay. Hey, wait a minute, I got a feather up my nose.
No!
Ready?
Getting hot.
1, 2.
This group. Lead hits, that's what I thought. Right.
Here's a picture. These guys have done a phenomenal job. Come here, sexy.
Oh yeah, baby.
These brakemen have done a phenomenal job.
These are
I
our
could not make it down the hill without these
They
guys.
got us here.
This thing has to keep going on, Elizabeth, and we're one big happy family. Come here, Jerry. Come on, we need hugs. Jerry's running the other way.
But as long as all of you had fun, that's my main thing. Safety, 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 and make it fun.
Always goodbye, Mrs. Cookie. I'm sick and tired of working. I'm alright.